So we know what side of the market we are trading with SPY and XOM yesterday. So we are trading the call side. It's decided for us. We have that inclination, and then what we know what we want to do, and this is the opening point of the market. So let's just mark that. So this is where the market opens, and immediately after that we are into the trading. So let's also mark that uh, on XOM as well, which didn't quite work for us, uh, uh, but we still made a good day out of it. So as we can see, the first trade, XOM takes like few minutes to open. Like first 3-4 minutes, you cannot trade. The price is not updating because they I think hold the markets for the volatility that might come with the immediate opening of something like that. So the first opening was mm, at 3 minutes. 3 minutes past the opening. So the initial position I wanted to take 600. I only took 600 with 50 cents, but we got 60 with 48 cents, and then I added the rest. It was just a bit of a mistake. One, it should have been 600, so I just adjusted it immediately. Uh, and 7 minutes in on the spy. So let's see what is happening in those times uh, in XOM and SPY. So XOM in 3 minutes is here. So we are trading, we are taking our position here at this point, at this bar. So it's pulled back. Uh, we we saw the initial burst and then pull back, and we are taking our position on that super trend support. Uh, it, Not that I'm watching super trend in any way. It's just one. It was just closer to the 10538 level, which I shared. If let's go back to the videos. So if we go back to yesterday's videos, pre-market uh, pre-market videos, we will see that uh, we will see that we had XOM. So this was our target in any case, and the price in this range, which is about this area is 104 105.3 105.4. So that's what we also got here, and that's why we took the trade. Uh, but yeah, it was not to be, uh, even though it tried for a few times. So that's why the close was made at 9:39. So that is 9 minutes or 10 minutes into the trade. So 10 minutes into the trade, we are getting this top. So we are seeing the price action is not smooth. So this is our margin of trade. So it's quite small because but we didn't actually have that follow through on the trades. So that's why it was traded like that. On a smoother trending day, we might have left that those trades open even in later parts of the day. where moves were smoother. If we can see, they didn't move much, but the randomness was lower. So in the initial periods yesterday, like I said, it was going to be tough. The initial first 2 hours of the market, and then it would catch on, and that's what it did. So even in the spy, if we look at it, so um, let's not. Even in spy, our trade opened at this area, but the price remained like really cross for a long period of time. So that's why we caught on and off of the trades. So 9 minutes into the market, at this point, about this point, this pullback, we are getting into trade. So this is where we are getting into the trade, and uh, then about few minutes. Sorry. So that's where we are getting off actually. So this is where we are getting off on this rise, and we got in at this six mark. So around somewhere. So price was expected to be cross at this moment. We expected that, and since the our level set yesterday was 5 4 4 51 3 8. So when it broke, we got in, and as it went to 517, 517 got out. So like that actually worked, and the price remained cross for few minutes. Then again we took the same kind of trades again and again, which somewhat worked, some uh, didn't work. But yeah, we didn't close any of the trades in loss yesterday. So all of them we closed almost flat or mostly positively. So again, a few moments later, at 4:53, it's about 11, 12 minutes in market. So 12 minutes in the market is like here, uh, and we closed the trades mm, a few minutes later at uh, at a minor profit. Again, the this call trade, I think we might have gotten more, uh, but I wanted to focus on the other stuff that was also pending. So 25 minutes in the market, and we were looking at a breakout. So this is the point where we took the trade. So we held on and we got out. So this exact move, a couple of hours later, half an hour, 40 minutes later, got in a huge rally. So that's the kind of time we did need to put it. So if we just kept on trading the same levels, so these are the initial levels that we created. So see how it cost bounced of that, it bounced of that again. A later part in the year and the day it kept rallying. And if we look at our initial market outlook, that was set on SPY, uh, we will find that the target was that. So the target was that, we talked about that 451 from 451 to 459 was not going to happen in one day. It was going to 454, and then maybe 458 in the next. Even we drew the target of the trade. So this is 454. This was the stop loss at 450, and that this trade was the exact thing that happened yesterday. So uh, it doesn't matter that how we traded, because we had a smaller amount of time. We got the best. What we did, what the best we could do. Uh, some repeat buying and repeat selling. Uh, Only uh, as we go grew into the market, and the bigger moves really didn't start after the initial hour and a half. So as that much also we discussed in the pre-markets as well, that the initial hours were not going to be as good as the later hours of the market. So initial hours, as you can see, flattish, not that good, and then that burst of action. But XOM for some reason didn't quite work. Even though oil, as we know, was good yesterday, not today. It was pretty good yesterday, even in the market hours. This is the initial market hours of oil from this, and this is the market close of the US. I can understand during the later closing hours, XOM not doing well, but in the initial hours, Exxon should have done pretty well, which was something of an anomaly. And But yeah, spies more than made up for that. Mm. Okay.